Hello folks, this is let me write the code here, 970213 May June 20. So this is 2020 May June paper 13 and the question number is 37. It is concerned with the chapter current electricity, as you can see from the circuit diagrams here. It says that a fixed resistor and a variable resistor are connected in series with a cell that has an internal resistance as shown. So we have got a fixed resistor here. Let me write it as RF. We have got internal resistance here in series with the this is a variable resistor which is in series with the source of EMF E. The graph shows the variation of a quantity X with the resistance R. So when R varies, an unknown quantity X varies. As R is increased from 0 to the maximum. So when R is increased from 0 to maximum, it varies like this. That means X was when R was 0, X had some value, and when R increases, X increases. So by knowing the nature of this X, we have to find what could X represent. So these are the choices. Let us first go for the current. So let us say the current in the circuit is given by total EMF in the circuit divided by the total resistance. And the value of total resistance is equal to, so let's go for the fixed one first, R plus R fixed plus this R. So that means when R increases, I should decrease. When R increases, I should decrease. So this is the wrong choice. Now next is electromotive force. The EMF of the source does not change as this R is changed. It remains fixed till the battery is active, till it has got power, energy, till it has got electrolytes working properly. It is fixed. So that's why it also will not change. So next is the potential difference across the internal resistance. Now what happens is when we increase the value of R, I decreases. So R increase means I decreases. That means the PD across this internal resistance is equal to VI is equal to I into R. So this R is fixed, and that means this VI decreases. So when R increases, VI decreases. So again, it's not correct because it's the quantity which increases as R increases. Now the last option is D. So D should be correct. So we can see like this. So this terminal PD is like this. So it is the terminal PD, V here. So V is equal to I into the resistance across here is RF plus R. Like this. So I must have this equal to I equal to this much. So what happens is I equal to E by R plus RF plus R, and then I have got this RF plus R. So when R increases, what happens is when R equal to 0. When R equal to 0, we will have, so R equal to 0, I will have V is equal to E into RF by E into RF by R plus RF. So it has got some value. So when R equal to 0, this V has got some value. Yes, and when R increases, the increase of this thing is more than the increase of this. It is totally RF plus R. So here RF plus R plus something else. So that's why it increases, the increase of this thing is more than the increase of this thing. It's because when in the denominator only some percentage increase, and here is the larger percentage if R increases. So that's why so this thing should be, the numerator becomes bigger and bigger compared to the denominator. So that's why when R increases, this V should increase. So that's why choice number D should be the correct choice. So by removing the wrong choices also, choice number D is the correct choice, and by dealing with it separately also, D is the correct choice.